Germany's currency history, 1873 to 1948. Welcome to this presentation on Germany's currency history between 1873 and 1948. We'll explore the evolution of German currency, from the introduction of the mark to the post-war economic reforms that shaped modern Germany. Mark, 1873-1923. The German mark was introduced after the unification of Germany in 1871, replacing a patchwork of regional currencies. Initially tied to gold, it provided economic stability during the period of rapid industrial growth. The mark was the official currency when Germany emerged as a major European economic power in the late 19th century. Mark, 1914-1924. As World War I broke out in 1914, the German government began printing large amounts of money to finance the war. This led to inflation, as the value of the mark rapidly depreciated. By the end of the war in 1918, the currency was severely weakened, marking the beginning of a financial crisis for Germany. Papier mark, 1914-1923. Following World War I, Germany's economy was in free fall, and the government issued the papier mark, a paper currency. However, excessive printing led to hyperinflation, with prices soaring uncontrollably. By 1923, the papier mark became almost worthless, and citizens were forced to use wheelbarrows of currency to buy everyday goods. Rentenmark, 1923-1948. To stabilize the economy, the Rentenmark was introduced in 1923. Unlike previous currencies, it was backed by land and industry rather than gold, which helped restore public confidence. Though the Rentenmark stabilized the German economy temporarily, it was a short-term solution to the broader financial challenges of the Weimar Republic. Reichsmark, 1924-1948. The Reichsmark replaced the Rentenmark in 1924, becoming the official currency of Nazi Germany. The Reichsmark was used throughout the Nazi regime and World War II, but after the war, it was replaced by the Deutschmark in the western zones of Germany as part of the post-war economic reforms.